So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving our PYQ. Let me change the color. This is deck 2024. Okay. System commands PYQ. Let's just dive right into it. Okay? There will be two more PYQ after this. Okay? So first question. Basically, it is saying that what will be the output of this. Okay. Without going into the options, you can just straight away see what the output will be. Okay. So first command, just start with it, mkdir /dash p, which will basically make the directory and also its subdirectories if they are mentioned any. है ना, mkdir just बना देगा डायरेक्टरी, और अगर उसका कोई सब डायरेक्टरी मेंशन करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे पब्लिक मेंशनड है तो वो उसको बना देगा. तो जस्ट गो कमांड बाय कमांड. सो mkdir/p mkdir-p sites/public, so it will make site. Inside it will make the public directory. Then it will go on to this command, touch site के inside public के अंदर index to html. So just make this. Okay, so this is done. Then next is touch public, वही same चीज same के अंदर just style.css. okay, style बन गया. Next is mkdir site, उसके अंदर private site, उसके अंदर static. So private site, then उसके अंदर static. Okay, then you see this command. Okay, touch site. Static जो है directory, that is not inside site, that is actually inside private site. Okay, so it is level 3 basically. Okay, level 3. Okay, level 1 is this, level 2 is this, level 3. Okay, so that's why it is not inside static. It's not inside site directly, so it will give an error. Okay, and as soon as there will be error, it will just exit with error code. Okay, it won't go this here ना, मतलब यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचेगा. इट विल जस्ट एग्जिट हियर ओनली. इसके पहले वाली चीजें होंगी है ना, ये मत समझना कि ये सारी चीजें नहीं होंगी. दिस विल मेड है ना, यहाँ पे क्या एरर होगा, इसके बाद वाले कुछ भी रन नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो एग्जिट विद एरर कोड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सिंपल. दिस इज ब्रैकेट एक्सपेंशन. ओके, जस्ट एक्सपैंड दिस, मतलब 1 के साथ तीनों को मैच करो, a b c को, देन 2 के साथ मैच करो, देन 3 के साथ मैच करो. ओके, वन फाइल है, 1 फाइल बी, 1 फाइल सी, एंड सिंटैक्स ध्यान रखना है ना, सिंटैक्स ध्यान रखना. 1 फाइल है, ये डैश है ना, दिस नॉट अंडरस्कोर, दिस इज डैश. ओके, दिस इज डैश नॉट अंडरस्कोर. सेम ऐसे करके एवरी फाइल विल बी मेड. ओके, बेसिकली फर्स्ट देयर विल बी 1 फाइल अंडरस्कोर a, दिस विल बी मेड, or no, not made, echo, it will be echoed. Okay, not made, sorry. Yeah, 1, then file b, 1 file underscore c, this will be then same for 2, same for 3. Okay, so this will be the answer. Right, done. Which of the following actions will delete the 7th line and save and exit in VI editor or Emacs editor? Okay, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Okay, 4 options, and every option has one VI option and one Emac option. Okay, so and every VI and Emac option will be different. Like there will not be two options which have same VI command. So you can see that every VI command is different. Okay? So you need to learn one out of these. Okay, either VI or Emac. Okay, you can also learn out of Nano, but I will go with VI. Okay, it is the most advanced, and I have already said in week 2 or week, I don't remember the week, but I have already told that just go with VI. It's the one of the best and it's one of the most advanced also. There are others also, you can translate it later to Vim and NeoVim later if you want, but just outside the scope, don't bother about it. Just go with VI. It's easier also. It's easier than Emac. Okay. See the Emacs command. Okay, it will be easier. Just instead of doing this, you can just in VI you can just WQ. Okay, that's all you need to do. So it's easier also. Anyways, let's see. Okay, so we need to go to the 7th line first. Okay, so first we open. Okay, this will go to the 7th line. Okay, 6 will go to the 6th line, 7 will go to 7th line, etc, etc. Okay, dd will delete it. Okay, this is cursor, please. Okay, dd will delete the line which the cursor is at. Okay, the cursor is at 7th line. Like for example, this is the cursor. Let's say, let me not I can't make design anyways. Let's say this is the cursor. Okay, C, whatever, C, let's say cat is the line. Okay, so if this is the cursor and we say DD here, it will delete this. Okay, it will delete this line. Okay, and WQ is save and exit. Okay, cool. So as soon as you match one option, you can just since it is only one choice. Okay, only one choice. If there are more than one, you need to select those also, but there is only one choice, so you can select this. You don't need to select EMAC, or if you have read EMAC better, like if you are comfortable with EMAC, then search for EMAC. Option match with EMAC, not VI. Okay, or if you're comfortable with both, then you can do anyone, whatever you want. I'm comfortable with VI, so I just selected this. Okay, let's see why the other options are wrong. Okay. This D is not like DD is the command, not capital D. Okay. There is WQ and this is not a command. Okay, this is nothing, to be honest, and also D also. Okay, this one only saves. Okay, we need to save and exit because the question says we need to save and exit. Okay, not just save and exit. Okay? So we need W to save and Q to exit. So that's also done. Okay, which of the following command sequences ensure that both student and standard error are written to output? Okay, pretty straightforward question. Okay, whatever the command is, 2 is greater than and 1. Okay, so basically error same as output. Okay, since there is no this okay, before this or after this, basically what it means is the standard out is still the monitor, terminal, whatever. Okay? Whatever you want to say. Okay? So this is so the standard error will also get redirected here also. Okay, because we need both standard output and error written to output.log and also displayed in the terminal. मतलब out.log में तो होना ही चाहिए plus terminal में भी show होना चाहिए. Okay, so this will show it on the terminal and then we are passing it to T, which will save it to output.log. Okay, basically T क्या करता है, it redirects here also and it redirects to जहाँ भी चाहिए, like I have shown you in the notes. Okay, I think this one is I think week 3 में है. Yeah, see what does T do? It will it redirects the output to the file and also the monitor. Okay, it redirects the output to the file and also to the monitor. Okay, terminal. Okay, so okay, cool. So this one is right. Okay, this one will be with command and not T. Okay, so this is wrong. This is not a syntax. Okay, this one it won't show the terminal. Okay, because you are redirecting here only. 2 times you are redirected to the same. Okay, 2 times you are redirected to the same output.log and not even once it is getting redirected to terminal. Okay, so that's why it won't be shown in terminal. That's why this one is wrong. Okay, this type of questions are actually really common. What I am seeing. Okay, so better focus well on these. Okay, basically it is you just need to read this man output and just know which keys you need. Okay, which options you need. Okay, so let's see what the question says. You receive a host key verification failed. Okay, host key verification failed. This comes when either host keys are bad. Okay, mostly host keys are bad or the verification is failed due to some other reason. Mostly because host keys are bad. There's a mismatch. Okay, here when trying to access into remote VM, basically what we do. Okay, user at remote.vm, how we log into the VMR. Okay, so he's asking that what command we need to remove the old host key. Okay, because we need new keys. So to need new keys, we need to delete the old keys. Okay, so delete the old keys. You just need to search. Okay, first just go over the options, which option they are. And there is -r, -t, -f, -l. Just see these here. Okay, -t is here. It will be given. Okay, -t, -f is here. RSA will also be there, I guess. Yeah, RSA. Okay. -l will also be there. If -l is not there, then it means it's not an option for that. Okay. Okay, so we just need to see what there is. Okay, dash r. It is simply saying that dash r is removes all keys belonging to the specified host name. Okay, so we just give this one. Okay, this is the host name, this is the flag, and this is the command. This is the option, sorry, this is option a flag, and this is the command. Okay, this is the host, sorry, this is the host. So that's how this one is. Okay, slash t is basically 1 second. Cool. Slash f is output to specific file. Okay, we need remove, so only one option does it. Dash r. Okay, you can read all of the others here. Just you can go over these. Okay. Next is okay. In this one I have doubt about one option, but I will show the rest. Okay. I will explain the rest part. If anyone knows about that option, just tell me in the comments. I'll help in that. Okay. Basically, we need to create a regular expression to match the complete string of address. Okay. This is the address we need to make a regular expression that will match this. Okay. Now go straight to the options. Okay. Just look at the first one. Okay. These are the quotes. Like this is the pattern. It's showing that this is the pattern. Okay. I will remove this. What it's saying is it should start with double quotes. Okay, correct, because 1 second. So it should start with double quotes. Okay, which is correct because see, no, this one. See, it starts with double quotes. Okay, after that there should be something. Okay, there should be something, like it should not be like just this. Okay, it should like have at least one something. It should not be empty basically. Plus means next character. Okay, so start with this should have something inside, shouldn't be empty. Okay, just give it a second. Okay, sorry, I just said plus means more repetition, so repetition of previous. Okay, so basically this should also be there. Okay, it's basically saying that this ending code should also be there. Okay, that's all. This one, as you can see, this is not right at all. It is not matching anything. Like you are starting here, you have this dot. I don't know what I've done. Okay, this one is the option I'm confused about. Okay, I will tell it at the like this. I'm confused about this part. Okay, address is fine. Okay, because it is showing this address. Okay, it matches to this. Okay, this one is fine. Address is fine. This one is the colon. Okay, matching with the colon, like this colon. Okay, this space is actually this space. Okay, let me remove this. This space. Okay, this space, it is referring to space or tab, whatever you want to call it. And then the regular expression we saw in actually the first one. Okay, actual address. Okay, so that's fine. I do not know this space. Okay, because there is no space here. What it is matching, I do not know that. So okay, so that one is done. Okay, next one is which of the following command sequences will run two commands in the background and print their PIDs. PIDs is process IDs. Okay, so command 1 and PID is equal to PID1 is equal to, like this one is the syntax. So this is syntax to get PID and store it in a variable. Same for command 2 and at last echo. Okay, echo basically print out. Okay, print out these two variables. Okay, so this one is fine. This one will just print of this process. Okay, and not of this. We haven't stored any var, so it will just of the latest. Basically, it will show the process ID of the latest. Command 1 and PID1 is equal to this. This is fine. We just this. Okay, so basically in this one all three will run. Okay, in this one if any one fails, the next one will be stopped. Okay, so that's all. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, this is not a syntax. Okay, so next one, you have a large log file, server.log, and you want to count the number of occurrences of the word error in the file. Okay, see, any log file, okay, will have words like this: warning, success, error. It can be on the starting or also at the end, like this one, error, ending in error, basically. Okay, anything. The log files come in variety of syntaxes. Okay, so basically what you need to do is either you count number of errors, okay, like actual count of the word occurring, or you can just count the lines with the word error, lines with lines with error. So the first option is doing just that. It is grepping all errors, like basically searching for the word error in server.log, and it is passing that to this wc dash l. Okay, so it will basically count lines having the word error. Okay, basically count all the lines which is returned by this. Okay, so that's all. Same thing, and this will actually just print out all the like direct count of word error. Okay, that's all. I hope this is good. This is simple enough. Okay, basically if this one, what will be the output? Error. Okay, you try to SSH into a remote VM using the command user whatever. This is the command we use, okay, to log in into the VM of our course. Okay, and we receive the following error: host key verification failed. What are the possible reasons? These two are the possible reasons. Okay? The remote VM's IP address has been changed. But this is the address. Okay? So the remote VM's IP address has changed, or the remote VM's SSH key, host key has changed. Okay? Because there is a mismatch. Okay? And since mismatch, it will give this error: host key verification failed. Okay. SSH client is not installed. The error will be this: SSH command not found. And if the configuration file is corrupted, there will either be bad configuration option or error reading configuration file. Okay, this is the errors. Same thing. Remote host identification has changed. It will be the same answer. The remote VM SSH host key has changed or IP address has changed. Okay, same, like just in a different language. Okay, same thing as the above, just expressed in a different way. Same, this is the configuration. Okay, configuration option, and this is either SSH is down itself or the server is down itself. Then it will not show that host key. It will just show that server is down or connection problem, something like that. Okay, which command will display the inode number of the file, my file. Okay, so if you want, this is just like theory. I do not know how to explain. Okay, ls-i. This will be the command or a flag that will give the inode number of this file. Okay, stat is another option, another command just like ls, but it gives a lot more details than ls. Okay, you can try this on any file. Okay, it will give a lot more information. Let's just do stat names.txt. Yeah, so it gives a lot more numbers. Okay, you can see that on the first, second, third line with device, on the line starting with device, it also shows the inode number. Okay, so that's how stat works. Okay, this one says, okay, this one was wrong. Okay, I thought you need all permissions. Which command will create a directory data? Okay, just go with the flow. Okay, we need to create directory data. Okay, mkdir data. Okay, with a subdirectory backup. Okay, and set the permission. Okay, we need to set the permission chmod. This one is done. Okay, so we use this one, or you can also use and same thing. Okay, so that owner has full control. Owner has full control means 7. The group can read and execute. Group can read and execute matlab 5, and the others have no permission. No permission means 7. Okay, this one should be the command. Okay, but you also need to apply this to both of these. Okay, so instead of just chmod 750, we also need a flag which will be r. Okay, this one is recursive. Okay, basically meaning it will apply the same permissions to data and everything inside data. Okay, whatever is inside data. Okay, I know this. Okay, I remember this dash r because, or you can just see here. Okay, they have given this. Okay, now the main thing, how did I decide this 750? Okay, so 750 decide करने के लिए just remember this. Okay, read has a value of 4, write has a value of 2, execute has a value of 1. You can read this here. Okay, it has been given. You can read this full. Just I will explain it short. Just remember this and then add this whatever you want. Okay, because we need owner to have all the permissions, we will add them all. Okay, so 7. Group needs write and execute. Okay, so 4 plus 1 5. Others need none permission. Okay, just then combine this, so 750. Okay, so this one is mkdir p data backup. Okay, we have 2. Okay, data, and inside that we have backup. Okay, so this one is doing first, it is applying to data, and then inside that you can apply to data. So you can do this like mention them one after another. Okay, and at last we also need to have no permission, then verify the permission. For verify we need to ls them, lsl. Okay, lsl. Okay, d flag, what it is doing is, you can see it here, d flag will list directories themselves, not their contents. Okay, simple thing, it will list the directories and not any contents inside. Okay, that's what the d is doing, d flag is doing. Okay, so this one is fine, this one is fine, this one is using the dash r. Okay, that I told you, and same thing. Okay, it is not no, sorry, this is not wrong, this is fine. This one, okay, it won't apply to backup. Okay, like slash backup, it won't apply to that. This one it will only apply to backup. Okay, not to data, backup only. Okay, so this is why these two are wrong, this is why this and this is right. Okay, that's done. Next question. Okay, we need to create a SHA-256 checksum for the file this and later verify its integrity. Okay, so we how to create SHA-256, then file name, and how to check SHA-256, we need -c flag. Okay, just go to the options. Okay, SHA-256 data.bin, it is storing it here. Okay, cool, fine. And then it is checking this. Okay, this is fine. This is output redirector, you know. Okay. And this there is no O flag. Okay. See, there is no O flag, and you can see this. Okay, this will be given. Okay, you can see there is no O flag, there is no O flag. Okay, so this one is wrong, this one is fine. Okay, it will also show to terminal. Okay, show on terminal, plus this thing will redirect to .sha256. okay, that file. Okay, and then checking is the same. Okay, so this one is fine too, this one is fine, this one is not fine. Okay, there is no -v flag. Okay, okay, next question. MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to network interfaces for communication with the physical network agent. A MAC address is typical. Okay, this is how it is represented. Okay, each one is a hexadecimal digit, so each one can be 0 to 9, A to F, like any of these. Okay, like for example it can be 0 1, then 1 B, yeah, anything. Okay, so we need to create an extended regular expression which will match this format. Okay, so how do we create? Okay. So each pair can be anything between 0 to 9. Okay, A to F. Okay, they're like capital is not mandatory. Okay, so first pair, okay, 0 to 9, cool. Basically we are checking this 0 to 9, or it can be A to F, or it can be A to F. Okay, cool. This is the first. Okay, and this will be repeated 2 times because before every colon there will be 2. Okay, before every colon there will be 2 hexadecimal digits. Okay, so that's why we are matching it with 2. Okay, then there will be colon, and this will be repeated 5 times. Okay, and then this one is for the last pair. Okay, now why we are checking this for the last pair? This is the last option. Okay, why not we just do it 6 times? Okay, the last pair, that is 5e in this example, will not have a colon at the end. In this expression we are checking for the colon. Okay, Same for the last option, we are checking for the colon. The last option will not have this colon, that's why we can't check all 6 at once. We need 5 repetition, and then we need to mention another one for the 6th. Okay, so this is why there are 5 repetitions of this thing, let's just say, and for the last we need something without the colon. Okay, so this is for the last. Okay, this is done, so this one is fine. The next option, same thing, we are just matching, like we are writing this again and again for 5 times, and then for the last we just do it, just remove the colon. There is no colon in this. Okay, so that is how you do it 5 repetitions, and then for the last different one. Okay, we are not checking A and A to F here, so this one is wrong. Okay, now this one has dash, not colon, so this one is wrong, and this one is I explained because last will not have colon at the end. Okay, this is the last question. Okay, so this is the websites.txt file. Okay, we basically cat it, basically read it, then cut, and delimiter is dot colon. Sorry, we have colon as delimiter. So as soon as we see colon as a delimiter, we will break this. Okay, so this is the field 1, this is field 2, this is field 3. Okay, we need the field 1. As soon as this opens up, this is the field 1, so we take all HTTPS. Okay, this will all HTTPS. Okay, then we need to sort. Basically this is all HTTPS, the sort will just return this only. Okay, sort will return the same output. Then we go to unique will return one of these. Okay, just return one of these, and then tail -1. Tail, what does tail do? Tail display the last part of a file. Okay, by default it shows the last 10 lines, -1 or -n for example. Whatever the digit is, it will show only one line from the end because we have -1. -2 will show last 2 lines. Okay, -3, -4 will just keep going. Okay, so we only have one entry, so it doesn't matter what we do. Okay, so it will just give HTTPS. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, cool. This was all your first PYQ. There were 2 more PYQs. Hope you enjoyed this, and all the best for your upcoming quiz. If there is any doubts or you want me to do anything more, just put it in the comments. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comments, and I will try my best to adhere to them. Okay, all the best.